라수 투지치 창마 다시 델렉 라수 다 고주긴 야 로드리고 라인다 로드리고 라 다시 델렉
Rashidilek.
다시 델렉 로드리고 라 니 계란 데보 임베
Uh, Alles good.
오케이
Uh,
계란 데보 임베
Kerang de Point Pay.
mhm
Kerang Netherlands. No, sorry. I'm sorry.
no problem try
I'm just
응? try no problem okay 계란 데보 임베 나 데보 임 계란 데보 임베
uh,
no
nga
problem no problem okay
nga me she. I'm I,
no,
I'm sorry. I'm just
no problem no
getting.
problem let's try with Yen Hongla you can listen to us okay hmm? 인다 옌 홍라 다시 델레
Presidele
다시 델레 계란 데보 임베
nga teboyin
라소 투지체 now you can ask me that question 옌 홍라
enla kerang teboyinbe
나 데보 인 투지체 like this
tujiche
okay oh yeah 라스 야 마르셀로 라인다 마르셀로 라 다시 델레
Tashidilek tenzingla.
다시 델레 마르셀로 라 계란 데보 임베
Yen, nade po yen,
like
tujiche, anikeran.
나야 데보인 투지치 like this okay 야 로드리고라이다 로드리고라 계란 데보인
Nedepoyin.
빼하고 that's it 하고 어야 라스 투지치 뉴르말
Sorry, I couldn't make that last time.
okay no problem 하고 라스 뉴르말라인다 thank you for trying
لا
뉴르말라 다시 델렉
다시 들릴게라.
계란기 민 가레레
녜밍 뉴마리.
알레 하고송 니 계란 카네인
nga Thailand인.
알레 라스 투지체 뇨몰라
주시라.
라스 오케이 라인다 야 맥그레거 라인다 맥그레거 라 다시 델렉
Tashidilek,
니 계란 데보 임베
nga depoyin,
계란기 민 가레레
nga,
니
Scott,
계란기 민 가레레 민 네임
oh, name,
계란기 민 가레레
nye Ming Lachlan McGregor Ray.
알레 하고서 계란 카네인
Nga Scotland's yin.
알레 라스
Yeah.
인 알레 그렇지 야 인더 맥그레거라 디 카레레
The Pardi di Caparde.
빼요 카파르디 수레 카파르디 수레
Capardi Keparki Re.
계란기
Kerang
양계린
Capardi Kerang Re.
빼하고 that's it 카파르디 계란기레 투지치 Okay, siwatla inda, siwatla tashidelek.
leg
Tashidelek siwatla. Kiranki ming karire.
nge min siwatre.
Ale laso. Kirang kanin.
Nga Denmark ne yin.
Ale. Ani siwatla kapar di sure.
Kappa di kirang kire.
Ale. Kapar di kiranki maripe.
Mare. Kappa di kirang kire.
That's it. Nge mare. Kiranki re. Like this.
Nge mare. Nge mare.
Yankarinda. Kapar di kiranki maripe.
Nge mare. Kappa di kirang kire.
That's it. Yagulapsan. Tujiche. Okay. Lasso. Sonya la inda. Sonya la. Sonya la tashidelek.
Tashidelek.
Tashidelek Sonya la. Kiranki ming karire.
Nge ming Sonya re.
Oh, that's it. Fair. Kirang kane yin.
Nge Germany nga ne yin.
Nge mare nga. Nga Germany ne.
Na yin.
Ale hakosong. Sonya la kapar di kiranki repe.
Mare kappa di nge mare kappa di keranki re.
That's it. Fair. Tujiche. Tujiche. Okay. Yagulapsong. Yeah, Tarala inda. Tarala. Tashidelek.
Tashidelela.
Tarala kiranki ming karire.
Nga dare re.
Nge ming tara.
Gaming dare re. Yeah.
Hmm?
Dara or dare?
Ako mas kiranki ming ro. This is how you pronounce it, Dara or Dare?
It's Dara.
Dara, lasso. Then let's say, Keranki Ming Karere.
Gaming Dara re.
Ming
Ming Dara le.
Dara Re.
I got my name now. Okay. Thank you.
Lasso. Tujiche.
Okay.
Tarala.
Yeah.
Tarala. Kapardi Sure.
Kapali Kongki re.
Kong is third person. You can say
Kongki Tenzin re.
Tenzin Kire or
Tenzin
Keranki
Kire.
Re.
Ki
For the second
Keranki
person.
re. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. If I ask you, Kapar di Keranki Marepe,
Mare, nge mare, kapali Kongsure.
Kapar di Keranki Re. That's it.
Keranki re. Yeah. Kerang yos. Yeah. Keranki re. Yeah.
Beago, Beago. Tujiche,
Tugeche.
Lasso. Yeah, Fang Fang la inda, Fang Fang la Tashi de Lake.
Tashidelek Tinsila.
Lasso, Tashi de Lake. Fang Fang la Keranki Ming Karere.
Nye Ming Fang Fang Yin.
Lasso, Kerang Kane Yin.
Nga Thailand Ning. Na Thailand Ning.
Beago, Lasso. Fang Fang la Kapar di Keranki Repe.
Mare. Nye Kapan Mare. Di Kerang Kire.
That's it. Keranki Re. Beago. Tujiche, Fang Fang la. Okay. Yeah, Nimala in the Tashi de Lake Nimala.
Tashidelek Tenzin
Lasso, Nimala Keranki Ming Karere.
Nge min la nima sergira
Lasso, Ani Kerang Kane Yin Nimala.
teri nga sugyul nain
Ale Lasso. 아니 말라 카파르디 케랑키 마르페.
Kaparji kirangi mare. Kaparji kirangi awa ingere.
카파르디 녜 마레. You say, okay?
Nye mare. Kaparji kirangi awa repe.
레레 카파르디 녜 레. Like this.
Kirangi awa repe.
레레 녜 레. Like this. Okay?
Laso.
투지체. 야, 제졸라인다. 제졸라 다시 델렉. 알레 제졸라 요사마레. 야, 제클라인다. 제클라 다시 델렉.
Ashidalek,
제클라 케랑키 민 카레레.
Ne Ming Jakre.
빼야고. 케랑 카네인 제클라.
Na England Nayan.
라소. 니 제클라 카파르디 도널드 트럼프 키 레페.
Kapar di Donald Trump Ki Mare. Kapar di Kerankire.
빼야고. 투지체.
Tuchiche.
라소. 왕몰라인다. 왕몰라 다시 델렉.
다시 되네.
라소 왕몰라 케랑키 민 카레레.
외민 왕모래.
라소 케랑 카네인 왕몰라.
네, 홍콩 내인.
나 홍콩.
나 홍콩 내인.
라소 니 왕몰라 카파르디 홍콩 키 레페.
카파디 홍콩 기 말해.
카파르디 수레.
카파디 카랑기래.
빼야고. 오야. 투지체. Okay, very good. Thank you very much, Lasso. So we know little bit about how to use this connection particle, this genitive particle. Okay, keranki, kongki re, keranki re, tenzin ki re, Donald Trump ki mare. No, like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Lasso. Then we learned from the previous class, pe shimpo duk. Pizza di pe shimpo duk. Coffee di pe shimpo duk. Oh. Riba. Okay. Then we learned pe yakpo duk. Donald Trump pe yakpo duk. Like this, okay? 하고서 빼 약보도 like this, okay? 빼 첸보도, 빼 첸보도, Mount Everest 빼 첸보도 like this, 하고서 네팔 키 피자 빼 충충도. Italy ki pizza pe chempodu. Like this. Okay? Tade tine pe chung chung duk. Agosuma? Okay? Pe chung chung chempo. Chung chung chempo. Asia ki mik pe chung chung duk. Like this. Okay? Tenzin ki mik pe chung chung duk. Like this. Okay? Or tenzin ki go pe chempo duk. Like this. Okay?
Tenzin la.
Yeah.
Like Shempoduk, can we say like Sha di Shempoduk or coffee di Shempoduk?
No. You cannot say this coffee is big. Right? Generally. You say,
No, I'm talking Shimpodu, delicious.
Yes. Shimpo, you can say.
Yes. So I say Cha di Shimpoduk or Cha Shimpoduk.
That's it. Okay.
Right? Okay. Thank you.
So you say duk when it's your direct experience. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
when it's your direct experience, when it's your own perception,
Right.
okay, not everybody's.
Correct. Yeah.
You can say coffee di shimpudu, but
Mm.
it may not be shimpu to other, but it's
Yes.
your own perception and it's direct experience.
Yeah.
Okay?
So use the word D there, no? So to emphasize that you like it, right? It's that this tea is delicious. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And
Hako-san.
Tendon,
Yes.
if I wanted to say the negative, so for example, this coffee is not delicious, is it Maduk or Miduk?
Miduk. Okay.
Okay. Why is it not Ma?
You can say, but it's ma, mi, min, me, kakta de, mami, thokma, migmeju. Ma and me goes before, and min and me goes after. That's grammar thing. I think you will not understand now. You can use ma and me both, but we use me a lot. We don't use ma. But in grammatical, it's right to use both of ma, maduk or miduk. Okay?
Okay.
Mami thokma, me juk. Like this. So that's a grammar word. These are root letters. Okay? But I will suggest you to use miduk. Okay? But in mare, you can also say mire, but we don't use that. We say mare. Okay? Like this. Okay. So don't confuse yourself. You can unhear my root letter. Just use miduk. Okay? For duk. Duk, negative miduk. Shimpo minduk. Yapo minduk. Chimpo minduk. Chung chung minduk. Like that. Okay? So all these are your perception, okay? Your direct experience, not everyone's. It's not general. Okay? Like this. So that's explanation. This much right now is okay. Okay? Like this. Okay? So you say, oh, Shimbu Duk or Shimbu Minduk. If it's your direct experience or your own perception. Akosunga, okay?
Song, thank you.
Like this, okay. If you say Shimpu Yere, then it's known to be your general knowledge. Okay, that's the only difference, okay? But let's leave it right now. Let's just learn Shimpu Duk or Minduk right now, okay? We can come to that later, okay? So that's it. Then keep in mind how to use this genitive particle, okay? Kerang ki, Kong ki, nge, Hong Kong ki, Europe ki, America ki, like this. If you have any question about genitive particles, you can ask me now, okay? Okay? Like this. Laptop di Sire. Laptop di Marcelo ki re. Laptop di McGregor ki mare. Like this. Cha di Sire. Cha di Nere. Cha di Kerang ki mare. Cha di Shimboduk. Like this. Okay? And I want to say thank you for coming to this meeting every time. Okay? If you not come here, it will not happen. Okay? Also, it's not only from my side, it's from your side too. You are giving your precious time. So don't waste it. Practice well. Okay. So thank you for coming.
Yoshi,
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
No problem. Thank you all. We both are thank you. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. So here, keranki min karere. You know this, okay? Keranki min karere. Nge min norbure. Nge min lamore. Like this. Okay. Kerang kanein. Nga penein. Like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Inda. Ka. 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 Na. Cha. 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 Nya. Ta. Ta. Na. Pa. 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 Ma. I suggest you to imitate me in your own world. Okay? Here. Ca. Ca. Sha. Sha. Ah. Ah. Ya. Ya. Ra. Ra. La. La. Sa. Sa. Ha. Ah. Like this. Okay? Thank you. So here, ah. You can also say ah, like this. So this can go both. Okay? In grammar, we also call them no name. This. Okay? Ani tseme chikyan cha. So in ancient time, we write this on the bottom of every alphabet. Ka, ka, ka. You will have a sound like a ah in every letter. Okay? But in this now, I would like you to differentiate these three main sounds separately. Okay? I separate this because so that your pronunciation will be good. Okay? Like this. Okay. Okay. Now here. Ah. Ka. Cha. Ta. Pa. Sa.
Okay.
Yes, please.
No, it's okay. You already highlighted it, so it was very light. Could see it properly. Yeah. Now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, lasso. Ha. Ka. Cha. Ta. Okay. Pa. Sorry. Cha. Like this. Okay. Ah. Ka. Cha. Pa. Ta. Na. Nya. Na. Ma. Sha. Ya. Ra. La. Okay. Okay. Then we know Kiku, Shapkyu, Dengpo, Naro. Okay. Then we learned when there is a letter on the top, right? On the top, we have like a sa khata g, la khata g, ra khata g, like this. Okay, you have to read like this: sa khata g, la khata g, ra khata g, like this. Okay. This is an example of from kha to ga. When there is a letter on the top, we know that the sound change to more bass, right? So this is one example, how sound change to more bass or less aspiration. When we say kha, there is little air coming out. When we say ga, we cut the aspiration. Ga, like this. Okay. Then how to read them one by one? Sa khata ga, la khata ga, ra khata ga, like this. Okay. Then we have other changes that goes higher, like this. For example, usually we say this nga, like this. Then when there is on the top, we say sa ngata nga, la ngata nga, ra ngata nga, like this. Okay. That's it. Okay. Then when there is a prefix, the sound also change, right? And the effect is same. Okay. For example, we say yaka yakpa naropo yakpo. We just learned yakpo, yakpoduk. We learned this, right? When there is a prefix ka, ya, ka, yak. Okay, because that ya, because of this prefix, ya became ya, like this. Okay, yak, like this. So these are all how the sound changes when there is a prefix or letter on the top. And we already did that. Okay, I'm just doing a little bit revision. Okay, that's it. Lasso, tujiche. Okay, like this. Now today we have this question here. Kunchok ta ka naruko na kun ma cha narucho ka chok. Kunchok ka sa shakyu su ma sum. Ka radingbore kare. Ka radingbore kare. Ra dringbore thare. Kunchok sum kare re. Like this. Okay. Kunchok sum kare re. That's the way of speaking. Okay. Kunchok sum kare re. You can just write only one kare also. Kunchok sum kare re. Like.
Tenzin, can you highlight it or enlarge it? It's very not clear. The first, yeah. Yeah, okay. Can say thank you.
Yes, please. Kun chok sum kare re. Like this. Or you can just say one kare. Kun chok sum kare re. Okay?
What does Gunchok Sung mean?
In English, it is translated as jewel. And sum is 3, right? 3 jewel. What? 3 jewel. Like this.
Yeah.
But kun means rare. Chok means best, rare and best three. Okay, like this. Jewel is good translation, but not enough. Okay, we cannot say it's best. Okay, it's rare. Oh yeah, so you know, Kun is rare, something very rare. Chok, labna, best and rare. Best and rare three. Karere. Okay.
So sum means three, huh?
Re. Sum labna.
Re. Okay.
Kun
Chok is the
sum
best. Okay.
karere.
Kun so sum karere. Okay.
Kunchok sum karere. Kunchok sum sangi tang chu tang gedun re. Like this. Okay. Jewel is a nice word, but not enough. Okay. Like this. Okay. Tade sangi chu gedun agosunga. This sum.
What is the second letter? Sum.
Chu chanaru chu sa chu. This one.
Oh, chu. Okay. Cha naroso. Okay.
Sangi.
Sangi, yeah.
Gedun agosunga. Like this. Sangi chu gedun. Sangi tang chu tang gedun kunchok sum re.
The show is the Dharma textbooks, right?
Re.
Re.
Not always Dharma textbook, but in this context, Dharma textbook. Okay. Sometimes it means change. Okay.
Change.
Change
what? Change something like changing something?
Yes, change inside, inner change.
Okay, inner change. Okay. Confusing. Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's so. Or correction sometimes. Okay. But in this context, Dharma. Okay. Chu. Like this. Okay. Buddha, Dharma, Sangha.
Tenzin, is with this Sangha written in English with AY and the lion with EY?
Oh, what do you mean?
You know, the lion is very similar to Sangha. It's just a little bit different.
Lion.
And I always confuse names when Annie, her name is Sangha, and I always don't know in English then how to write Y or EY.
Different. Sanghe. This is Sanghe. Lion is Senkhe. That's different.
Okay. Senkhe.
That's different. Okay. Okay. Yes, it cannot be same. Okay.
No.
Senkhe. That's different. This is the karere, this sangye. Sa nga sa sang ra kataga yatagya sa ge sangye. Agosuma. Okay. We learned yatak also, right?
Yeah.
Sangye, chu, gedun. Agosuma. Then if somebody asks you, kunchok sum karere, then you can say kunchok sum sangye tang chu tang gedun re. Like, or you can just shortcut sangye chu tang gedun re. Like this. Okay.
It's like the
Is
prayer
the-
that we have, no? Sangye Shodang Shokakla, right? Sangye Shodang Shoknangla. Okay.
Yes, yes, like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Any question?
Tenzin, is the writing at the top, is that first, second, third?
Yes. Tangpo first.
Okay.
Nipa second. Sumpa third. Okay.
Is it possible to enlarge this because the coloring of the letters are, when they're small, it's not readable, particularly the second and third one. Yeah, okay, now at least you can read because the color that you put there are very light. Like number 3, it's very clear, but these letters are not clear, the words.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
So number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay.
Tenzin, a question about Auchana Rocho Sacho. As you say, it can be used as a verb in the meaning of produce some changing, right?
Yes.
Please give us an example of this using of Auchana Rocho Sacho.
Norchu. Norchu, correction. Like so you are saying right now Pacha Naruchu Sachu, right? That will be used as a Norchu. But here, Cha Naruchu Sachu, we use as a Nangchu. Nangchu, generally translated as Buddhism. But Nang is in, Chu is change, inner change. That's the real meaning of Nangchu. Buddhism.
Change or produce changing?
Sorry?
Is it change or produce action?
I would say change.
Okay.
Inner change. Nangchu. But ordinarily translated as Buddhism. Like this. Okay? When I say Buddhism, I don't get anything out of it. It simply means studying about Buddha.
Sorry, you example use nor chu or nang chu.
Both. Okay. So here I will write it down for you. Norchu. Okay. Then Nangchu. Okay. So if I tell you chu and chu are both same meaning, different tense. Okay. That's the deeper level. Nimala. Who is the asking person? Nimala Rebe.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, yes. So here Norchu Labna Karire, correction re. We use it in the teachers will use it for the student. Correction, do correction. Norchu che, like this. But Nangchu, Kiranki Hakugiruba Nang inside Ruba. Chu Karire, Guruare, change. Okay? Inside correction, inner change, like this, simply. Lasso, Tujichi. Lasso, okay. Okay? That what we are learning now here, Kunchok Sum Karire. Okay? Kunchok Sum Karire. Kunchok Sum Sangye Chutang Gendun Re. Like Ako semua. Okay. Oh yeah, like this. Okay. 다 인다 연홍라 인다 연홍라 다시들레
주시들의
연홍라 군초숨 가레 or 군초숨 가레레
군초송 예 상계 탕 최탕 예예둔제
That's it. 야골랍송 두지치. 야 마르셀로라 인다 마르셀로라. 다시들레 마르셀로라 군초숨 가레레.
Kunchoksum Sangechi Yeden Re.
That's it. 야골랍송. 소냐라 인다 소냐라 군초숨 가레레.
Kunsuk sum sange chö gedunre.
야골랍송 두지치. Okay, just like that, we all can copy it. Okay. 두지치. Yeah, and Claire in the
Tensenla, sorry, Tensenla, do we add tongue there or no need? Can just say all three together, or do we add tongue after shu?
Yeah, we can add tongue also. We don't have to add tongue also. Okay.
Okay, so it's correct both ways. Okay, thank you. Tujise.
두지치. And Claire in the 군초숨 가레레 and Claire.
근처숨 상게 체 당기돈레.
That's it. 야골랍송. Okay. Then we know what is meant by kunchok. Okay. Normally translated as jewel, but I would say rare and best three. Okay. Kunchok sum. Right. Chadi pe shimpuduk. Okay, hola so. Tainda. Before we learned three letters on the top. Sa, la, and ra. Sa kata ga, la kata ga, ra kata ga. Ra kata ka, sa kata ka, la kata ka. We learned this, okay? And on the bottom, we learned three letters, right? Till now. Oh, we learned four letters, actually. One is yatak. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Like this. We learned that. Then we learned ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Like this. Okay. The third one is very easy. Ka, latak, la. Ka, latak, la. Pa, latak, la. La, la, la. Like this. Di lelapo duk. Easy. Lelapo duk. Like this. Okay. So today we learned some new sound. Okay, here. You can write this down, please. Okay. Pa, yatak, cha. Okay, it becomes cha. Okay. pa yatak cha. Pa yatak cha. Or here, we know this letter already. Cha, right? Ditang di dradang chikpare. Ditang di dradang chikpare. Hakoswa. Like this. Pa yatak cha thang cha dradang chikpare. Hakoswa. You can repeat after me in your own voice, okay? Pa yatak cha. Cha. Dingi. Dingi. These two. Dingi. Dradang chikpare. Hakosuma. Like this. Okay. Then here. Pa yatak cha. Pa yatak cha. Thang cha. Dradang chikpare. Hakosuma. Pa yatak cha. Pa yatak cha. Right. Okay. And we know this already. Di khare re, di cha re. Okay. Oh yeah. Then we have here pa yatak cha. Pa yatak cha. Or here di khare re, di cha re. Di thang di dradang chikpa re. Hakosuma.
Can say la yang kêu sung thắng.
Pa yatak
Pa
cha.
cha. And cha, this side is also cha. Yeah.
Di yang cha re. Dingi dradang chikpa re. Dingi
Cha.
is two.
Dingi
Dradang
dradang chikpare.
re. Dradang chikpa re.
Dingi dradang chikpare. Yes. Cha.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Raso.
here. Pa yatak cha. Pa yatak cha. Pa yatak cha. Okay. Okay. So, Ade. Semchin di pa yatak cha shabkyu chu ka sa chuk pachuk Hakosuma. Semchin di pachuk re. I suggest you to write down every new words separately, adjective, noun, and we haven't come up with the verb yet, but we're gonna come soon, okay?
What does chuk mean?
It's like a cat, what do I say? Kettle, I don't know, what is kettle? Chuk, chuk.
Isn't it cow? Isn't it cow?
Yes, yes. So cow.
Cow.
But
Yeah.
I thought cow was just pa.
Yes.
So what's the
You can
difference
also
between
say
pa and pachuk?
You can also say pa. You can also say pachuk.
So why do you have
Okay.
to go all the way along to Pachuk instead of just saying Pa? Easier, no? Just one single letter.
I will ask my ancestors.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm?
Pachuk. Okay. And then Pa. Okay.
Kochuk semchen. They are
Okay. Pachuk.
normally they are like domestic animals. Okay. We call them chuk.
Say again, Jangkun Sing Tang.
I would suggest just say pachuk as a cow right now. That is enough. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Because
Pachuk. Okay.
if I say more, it's not gonna help you.
Yeah, it will confuse us more. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Just keep it as cow right now. Pachuk. Akosma. Pa. Pa. Yatak cha. Shakyu chu. Ka sa. Chuk. Pachuk. Okay. Semchen di kare re. Semchen di pachuk re. Or pa re. Right? Okay. Tainda. Semchen di kare re. Semchen di pa yatak cha. Cha re. Okay. Any bird. Cha. Pa yatak.
Any bird and not particular bird.
No,
Just
no.
any bird.
Any
All birds are cha. Okay.
really. Cha. Pa yatak cha. Semchen di kare re. Semchen di cha re. Semchen di kare re. Semchen di pachuk re. Okay. Pa yatak cha. Shapkyuchu ka sa chuk pachuk. Like here pa yatak cha. Akosuma. Like this. Okay. Tainda. Let's try reading this. Yeah. Jack Ryder la inda. Jack Ryder la Tilothan.
Pa yatak cha tengbu che ma ka re. Che ma kare.
There is no dengpo, just ra, right? Not re. Can you Yanker Sundan? Yanker Sundan. Jekla.
Chema kara.
That's it. Chema kara. Chema kara. Sugar re. Akosuna. Chema kara. Sugar re. Yabulosum. Okay.
Is it sugar for every kind, all kinds of sugar, white sugar, brown sugar,
Really?
cubes, or ground, or
Sugar.
okay, all kinds of sugar is
Hmm?
Chekar, right?
Chemakara. You can see dot in between all of them. You have to read.
Chemakara, yeah, the four letters, huh? Chemakara.
That's it. Chema.
Chemakara.
Ha yatak cha dengpo che ma
Ma
ka
ka
ra.
ra.
Chemakara.
Chemakara.
Hmm?
Okay.
Hakosuna. Okay. Yapuloso. Ade di hakosuna de. Oh, siwat la inda ya. Siwat la dilo tha.
이 파, 야다, 차, 샵그, 주, 파,
Chupa.
주파래.
That's it. Chupa. Really?
주파.
Chupa. You read it.
주파.
Hmm? Pa yatak cha shabkyu chupa. That's it. Chupa. This dress, male and female both, we call them chupa, Tibetan traditional dress. Right? Chupa.
Chupa. I have one also, chupa.
Yabula-san. Chupa. Hakosuna. Okay. That's it. Yabula-san. Yeah, Nyurmala in the Nyurmala Dilotha. Yeah.
Pa yataksha sabtushu ra shur ra shur ra.
Chura. This is I seen only in Nepal and Tibet. It's a dried cheese. Okay. In Tibet, when we go with the yak and herd for far away, and these are the food we can carry, it won't go bad. We chew on them. Okay. It's a dried cheese. But you can also call cheese a chura, whether it's dry or not. Okay. Actually,
This is a yak cheese, right? Normally it's a yak cheese, right?
no, that's a fully misconcept. Yak is male. Okay. Yak don't have cheese.
Yeah, normally that's what they say when you buy it there, no? Because when you go there, normally you buy it, yeah? So they say it's a yak cheese.
Yes.
So I assume it is a yak. Oh, no, it's okay from the female, yeah. So what is a female yak called?
D. We call them D.
D. Okay.
Okay.
Can you write down, please?
Yes. I've seen them many times in Nepal like this. Yeah. A, ba, ratak, dra, kiku, dri. It's not your fault. They portray it like this. They sell it
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, they say as that also. This is D Shura, D Shura.
You have to put particle here, genitive particle, D chura.
Shure.
It's dis chura, right? That's why you have to put the connection particle there. Tenzin ki chura, D chura, nge chura. Like this.
But when you
I don't understand.
yeah, no, neither do I, because it sounds like it's the same.
Yeah, that's it.
E.
D ne, huh? No, this is D, this is R. So D,
Yes.
D. I don't know.
It's like if you put white color in white color, it looks same, just like that. Okay?
So how do you read it?
Both are EE. So you can say D chura. Just little bit You have to pull it a little bit longer than the
It-
I see. So emphasis, something
it
like
does-
emphasizing it.
Yeah, yeah, like this.
D
Shura.
Shura.
Like this.
It's actually very similar in English, because we have S, to do the same thing.
Mhm.
And with some people's names, when they end with S,
Mhm.
like for example,
Johann
James
Strauss. Johann Strauss.
or
Double
Strauss,
S.
yeah. Like nowadays, people would say Strausses,
Yeah.
but in the past, people used to say Strauss.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
They-
Yeah.
they-
Yeah. You got it
the
right.
sound-
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Anyway.
that. Understood. Yes. With the apostrophe S, with the name ending in the S, you mean like that.
Tenzin La, why is with this dri, why is there no r?
What do you mean?
Bharata dra
That's it.
without any r, no r,
D. That's it. D. That's
dri.
it. That's
Dri or no, only D?
That's it. If I slow it down, it's dri, right? With the R. But when I say it quick, it may sound like a D, like this. Okay. Like this. A ba ratak dra kiku dri. A kiku i dri. Like dri chura. Okay. Here.
So it's like a plural, right? Dvi Shura.
No, not plural. This is like a, in English you say possession, right? But
Okay. 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 Cow's cheese. Cow's cheese.
That's it.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I have to say goodbye because it's getting late. I have another meeting.
Yes, Sonyala. That's what. Thank
See you Wednesday.
Okay. Bye bye. Have fun.
Thank you.
That's all. Okay.
Bye.
That's all. Taha kosunga. Pardi karere, pardi churra re. Okay. So you can say whether it's dry or wet, you can call it churra nowadays for any cheese. Okay. Churra. Kosunga. Like this. Kunchoksum karere. Kunchoksum sangi chötang gedun re. Okay, then we have learned here pa yatak cha, pa yatak cha, pa yatak cha. Ako sunga. Then semchen di karere, semchen di pachuk re, semchen di karere, semchen di cha re. Par di karere, par di chemakara re. Par di khare re. Par di chupa re. Di khare re. Di churra re. Like this. Okay.
Tenzin, is it churre or chura?
Churra. There is no
Churra. Okay, churra. Okay.
Okay. Then we have to practice how to read this. Okay. Oh yeah. Then something like this also. Tiang practice chegure. Then we learned shimpo duk, yapo duk, chempo duk, chung chung duk. Right? So if you want to put exaggeration, pe shimpo duk. Like a chadi, pe shimpo duk. Like this. Okay? Or if it's not, chadi shimpo menduk. Like this. Okay? Then
Tensila,
yes, please.
Tensila, could you please paste it in the group, in the WhatsApp group?
Of course, yes.
Danke schön. Tugje
Lasso. Then we have to practice this genitive particle. Okay. Kerang kiming kare re. Nge ming thara re. Nge ming tenzin re. Nge ming chek re. Nge ming siwat re. Nge ming nyurma re. Nge ming McGregor re. Nge ming fang fang re. Nge ming Rodrigo re. Ako sunga Rodrigo la. Like this. Tashi delek Rodrigo ki pumo. Rodrigo ki pumo la tashi delek. Like Pehago. Lasso. Rodrigo ki pumo. Like this. We can use like this. Okay. Then I would suggest you to practice this. Kerang kane yin na, Pune yin na, Hong Kong ne yin na, Europe ne yin na, Ari ne yin, anything. Nga, Zamling ne yin. Like this. Okay. So please practice well and thank you for coming. Today I will stop here.
Tenzin, I tried to make a sentence with Konchok and I put in our Zoom chat. Let me read it.
Yes.
Tenzin la lop chi ken kön shing chok re.
Tenzin la lop ken kön shin chok re. Yabudu. Tujiche. Yes. Tujiche. Thank you for this praise. Thank you. Rashidelek. Yakosuduk. Rasu. Ta Tering dela some shaki in this much today. I suggest you to practice well. Reading, writing, speaking, and listening also. Okay? All these 4 skills. And Tujiche, Rashidelek. Ni jela jeyong. Tujiche. Lasso.
Thanks, all group. Nice to be here.
Lasso. Tujiche.
Yeah. Sorry, I was late. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Lasso.
Bye, everybody.
Lasso.